What's going on, everybody? Cody from Matt Vapes is Easily here, and I got a new video for you today on a new device. Well, a new tank that we just got in. It is the Fireluke mesh tank from Freemax. So Freemax is newer into the game, as far as I've seen. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but honestly, the first thing I've ever seen from them was their Fireluke, and now they have this mesh tank. So relatively new, in my opinion, at least to my shop. Overall, though, their Fireluke tanks were pretty good. Like, we were really impressed with them. Definitely a close competitor for the TFV12 gang. Anything smock related as far as their tanks go. But what we're showing you today, like I said, is this tank. So as you can see, this is the carbon fiber one. We also got some blue ones in, and apparently they have rainbow and like 4 other colors too. But what really interested me the most is the way that coil looks. It kind of looks like mesh, I guess you could say. But basically the deal on this, it's 24 millimeters by 46.5 millimeters, so 45.6, 24. It comes with the Pyrex glass. It's a 3 mil capacity for juice. It's top refillable. It's got the 810 drip tip in it. It's got a mesh coil that's a 0.15 ohm. It does anywhere between 40 and 90 watts. And then of course it's got the bottom adjustable airflow down there, and then the 510 thread and like a goldish pin. So all you gotta do to fix your airflow is just turn it. To fill it up, you just open the top up here, and it unscrews, and there's how you fill it up. The only thing, that's really my only, like, quip about this tank. Now, like, Smock, with their Baby Beasts and their TFV8s, I mean, that fill system is amazing. I think that it's been improved, though, with some of the other tanks, like, for example, the Vaporesso Cascade, even like the Mellow 300. I like the way that those work a little bit better as far as the opening goes, because you don't have to worry about that white insert coming out of them. But yeah, so we're just gonna pop the bottom of this tank open here. If I can get it off of there, good lord. That thing is on there, cuz.
He's weak.
Yeah, here, you try it then.
You trying to get the glass off?
No, I'm trying to get the bottom of the tank off so I can get into the coil. Technical difficulties.
Ah.
But while he's doing that, I'm going to show you what else comes in the box. So, you of course got this piece, and your tank will be sitting up there. And then somehow you get, oh, okay, you have to pull that entire thing off. Whoa, that's wild looking. So here's the 40 to 90 watt coil right there. This one's blue for some reason. That's pretty cool. So you get that, and then of course you get your spare glass, some spare O-rings, and then they got some silica gel down in there. But overall, I mean, I like the look of the coil. And then if you can see down in there, there's the mesh down in there. Here, let me pull it out of the package so it's not like reflecting or anything. So you can kind of see that mesh in there, straight down. It's got that little lip for the cotton right there, which I think is kind of interesting. But overall, mesh has been something that's relatively new to the game. I honestly haven't been hearing about like big hype on mesh until like a month or two ago. The way the bottom of the coil is kind of weird too. It's like square, and then it's got the round circle on it. But yeah, overall, I mean, I think it's something new. It's something interesting. It's definitely a different way to get a vape out of anything. So mesh seems pretty interesting, and in my experience with building like the mesh RDA, it's interesting. The flavor off of it's really good, and it seems to burn pretty nice. You just got to make sure you get enough cotton in there, but luckily with coils like this that are pre-built, you shouldn't have too much issue with that. But that's really what I have for you for this video. Since we had this coil that was in the pack, I'm not too worried about the tank being open now, even though Riley did it. Sweet. So for some reason this one's like stainless colored, but this one's like blue. Very oud. But it's the same exact coil. It's literally the same coil.
0.15, 40 to 90.
Yep, that's what this one is. I don't know why they did that. I guess to add some Ric Flair up in there. Woo!
Clear drop.
So that's what I got for you. If you have any questions about this tank or anything else, feel free to leave them in the comments below and be sure to get back to you, alright? Peace.